Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Stella fig. When the figs first start ripening, I'm always too eager to come out here and pick them before they're totally ripe. But then you get busy with end of the season chores and everything, and I came out here and I was very excited about this fig, but gosh, I think I waited too long on this one. It's still intact, but I'll go ahead and open them all up, and we'll see how it looks. One thing I really like about this fig is how big it is. I mean, just look at the size of that thing. I mean, you can see other figs here in the distance. This is McCool, and it is just not, it's not nearly as big. I'm sure it tastes great, but this Stella fig is huge. And it looks, just looking at the opening there, it looks like it's got a red pulp, which would match what our expectations. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and pull all these off, and then we will compare their ripeness, how they look on the outside, to whether or not they're edible. What a great fig! Look at the size of that thing. Okay, I'll just order these from left to right. This one was the ripest, to the next one, to one here, which is still got a little bit of sap coming out, so it's probably not quite ready, but we'll go ahead and check it out anyway. And here we go. Let's start with this one. Oh yeah, that is perfectly ripe, and you can see here that the imperfections on the outside hadn't quite reached the fruit yet. So we're going to have a happy family today because of all that good figness we're going to bring into the house. And you can see here that one is still, it still was clearly, it's squishy when we tested it, but it hadn't ripened out to the outer skin like these other two have. If you look at that pulp there before you try it, you're going to be fooled into thinking it tastes like strawberries or raspberries, some kind of jam. But the reality is it tastes like fig. It tastes like a sweet, wonderful fig. So taste-wise, I think it doesn't matter. Once the outside of the skin on Stella tarts starts to get discolored, then it's ripe and ready to go. This is Stella fig. It's a beautiful, large fig that comes in mid-season for us. If you take a look at that pulp before you try it, you're going to taste strawberry, but it's just going to have a wonderful, sweet fig taste to it.